are doing this work for the last 7 years. And it was done manually at a sum of rupees 1.80 crores. Now, in the year 2013, government invited a tender for mechanical cleaning. And that estimated amount of that mechanical cleaning is 14.5 crores per year. So the previous Goan local contractors were doing it for 1.86 crores. Now they have not brought any machinery to do any mechanical cleaning. So they opted for manual cleaning. I don't know what is the reason behind it, but government said it should be manual cleaning. And the manual cleaning was done like the previous contractors, like what we are doing before, the same thing was done. Same thing was done. But the price was 14.5 crores. Now, the case is going in the Lok Yukta. The hearing is going on. I think it will be over by June or July. So, the Lok Yukta court has really stripped them naked, these people. And they have brought the scam in front. Okay? They have exposed them, the tourism department.
कांयच अणभव नासतना दृष्टी लायफगार्डाक टुरिझम आनी GTDCन बीच क्लिनिंग आनी गार्बेज मॅनेजमेंटाचें काम दिलां म्हणूनय गोंयच्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांनी विशय काडलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर साव्यो डायस.